Hi everyone, so on some of the videos my picture is in the way of the words, so that will be for Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So for Wednesday and Friday I'm just using the screen view. So for Tuesday's homework, you could write about your favorite game or your favorite sport. So we're going to start with our opening. In my opinion, I think that, and I'm going to start with a game. In my opinion, I think that Twister, Twister is my favorite game to play. Okay, so I told you what it is, and I told you that it's a game that I play. So now I'm going to give my first reason. I feel this way because you get to move around and see who is flexible. That means who can move easily. And then I also think this because my next reason is because I like the different colors on the mat. Okay, so then I'm going to close. Remember that you're just going to copy the very first sentence, not in my opinion, I think, but starting at Twister. So I'd write, that is why I think that Twister is my favorite game to play. Okay, so here you go. In my opinion, I think that Twister is my favorite game to play. I feel this way because you get to move around and see who is flexible. I also think this because I like the different colors on the mat. That is why I think that Twister is my favorite game to play. Now friends, if I had just said this, I also think this because colors on mat. First of all, that is not a complete sentence. And second of all, it's a fact. Because when you play the game Twister, there are always colors on the mat. So you have to explain, you have to use I like to help you explain why it's an opinion. I like the colors. So we have our opening, 2 reasons, 2 opinion thoughts, and then a closing. Okay, now this time we're going to start over with our stems. These are stems you need to eventually memorize so that you can do it on your own. So this time we're going to talk about your favorite sport. So in my opinion, I think that soccer is the best sport to play. In my opinion, I think that soccer is the best sport. I feel this way because when you play soccer, you get to play on a team and run around. I also think this because sometimes when I kick the ball, I make a goal for the team. Okay, so then you'd say, that is why I think that, and go back to the top again, soccer is the best sport. Okay, so let me read this. The opening, in my opinion, I think that soccer is the best sport. I feel this way because when you play soccer, you get to play on a team and run around. I also think this because sometimes when I kick the ball, I make a goal for the team. That is why I think soccer is the best sport. And so what you'll see here is a full paragraph. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.